This is iPhone 17 Pro, and Apple finally did it. After years of little tweaks here and there, this is the first real redesign we've seen in a long time. Now before we dive in, let's set the vibe. Apple just confirmed their big event. It's happening September 9th. Yep, the leaks were spot on. And you know how it goes. The second those invites dropped, everyone started decoding that logo like it's some kind of puzzle. This time, Apple isn't even being subtle. The logo? Deep orange with dark blue. Exactly the colors rumored for the Pro models. Apple basically said, yeah, we're doing this. The tagline? Awe-dropping. Kinda cheesy, kinda clever, playing off awe-inspiring and jaw-dropping. Classic Apple marketing, and get this. The logo also hinted at vapor chamber cooling. Yup, looks like Apple's finally adding more cooling tech to the iPhone. About time. So we're getting 4 new iPhones this year. The iPhone 17, 17 Air, 17 Pro, and Pro Max. We will see black, white, gray, dark blue, and orange on the Pro models. But here's the one that really caught my eye, the iPhone 17 Air. This is replacing the Plus model, and it's crazy thin, just 5.5 millimeters. That's thinner than anything we've seen from Apple in years. The trade-off? Smaller battery and just a single rear camera. It looks sleek, but you're probably charging it twice a day. The regular iPhone 17 is also getting some nice upgrades. 6.3-inch display, 120 Hz refresh rate, and the A19 chip. Design-wise, it's basically the same as last year, but that refresh rate alone is a huge win. Now for the pros, Apple's sticking with the big blocky slabs, but the cameras? Huge upgrade. We're talking 3 48-megapixel cameras on the back, plus the selfie camera finally jumps from 12 to 24 megapixels. And yes, the rumors were right, 48-megapixel telephoto with 8 times optical zoom. That's massive. Display sizes stay the same, 6.3 inches for the 17 Pro, 6.9 for the Pro Max. Both rock the A19 Pro chip, anti-reflective glass. And here's the plot twist. Aluminum frames are back. After pushing titanium so hard 2 years ago, Apple's like, yeah, never mind, aluminum it is. Classic Apple. And of course, it's not just iPhones. We're also getting the Apple Watch Series 11, Ultra 3, SE 3, and finally, AirPods Pro 3. New design, better noise cancellation, touch controls. Basically, all the stuff we've been waiting 3 years for. So yeah, circle the date, September 9th, 10 a.m. PT, Steve Jobs Theater. This might just be one of the most exciting Apple events we've had in years.